Hello PV professionals. Some of you may already know me. I'm IBC Solar's PV manager. Up here on the roof, I'm usually not needed. Apart from this, I am the reliable partner for your PV business. I am your personal, versatile planning tool. From the initial contact with the customer, to calculation, planning, ordering and billing, all the way through to project documentation. With me, all steps are connected seamlessly with each other. My innovative features enable you to work that much easier and more efficiently. For example, I can identify interfering objects and possible shading on the roof, create a sound profitability calculation for you, and at the end, at the push of a button, even provide a complete parts list of all required components. The great thing is that you can then order them directly from the IBC Solar online shop. So I'm your ingenious software tool that allows you to quickly plan and implement PV systems worldwide in many languages. I've recently become available as a standalone, cloud-based and browser-independent program. By the way, several colleagues from one company can collaborate together on a project. And IBC Solar is always at your side with advice and support. Simply share your project online with the experts and solve tricky questions together. Sell better, plan better, work better, and earn better. Together with me, the PV manager from IBC Solar.